What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best vlogging cameras in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. Whether it's price, performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included the links in the description box down below which are rated for the best prices. So, like the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. We'll kick things off with the DJI Pocket 2, best portable vlogging camera available on the market in 2022. We are looking at an off-road camera with a compact size, excellent stabilization and top-notch photo and video quality. Not much has changed compared to the first generation, but DJI Pocket 2 is improved where its predecessor lagged behind. Autofocus, battery anatomy and microphones. This model handling is comfortable with a well-responsive touchscreen and some well-executed movements. In addition, the fact that has a joystick to control zoom or camera movement makes the device much more intuitive, and if the device itself does not suit, you can always connect the DJI Pocket to your smartphone. With the included adapters to use it, you will need to download the DJI Mimo app and connect the device to USB-C or Lightning port on your smartphone. As for the quality of shooting and photography, I really liked it. It's true that you will not reach the levels of more professional SLR camera, but we can expect quality similar to that. We have with some compact cameras, iPhone 12 Pro or Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The fact that is camera with a clean and simple gimbal helps a lot. Keep the quality solid, especially in low lighting. DJI Pocket 2 can take photos with the maximum resolution of 64 pixels. Optics have also changed. The viewing angles is now 93 degrees instead of 80, which is crucial for selfie mode. From a distance of one hand, we can easily capture the whole face and many landscapes. Depending on the selected resolution of the photo or video, we can zoom from 4 times to 8 times. Also, vloggers will be interested in how the device manages speech with one hand. The microphone gain level is sufficient. All in all, it will satisfy everyone, not just vloggers. Give you better results than a smartphone and still fits in your pocket. If you want to save some money, we say check out the Canon EOS M50 Mark II, best budget vlogging camera on the market in 2022. This model comes with several enhancements and features specially designed for use on social media and content creation. It's basically a revamped version of Canon's earlier M50 Mark I. The features of the Mark II remains quite similar to its predecessor with a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor and a Digi-8 image processor that allows the camera to record 4K video at 24 frames per second. In short, the update includes better autofocus for both photos and videos, allowing you to accurately track moving subjects within the frame. The device can be easily used as a webcam, thanks to the free Canon EOS webcam utility software, which comes with the YouTube live wireless streaming capabilities and a handy built-in timer. The device is quite an interesting feature regarding the tilting screen, which makes vertical video recording more intuitive and enjoyable without the need of further editing and cutting. Furthermore, the M50 Mark II comes with a clear HDMI output, so you can record to an external voice recorder or monitor on a large screen. The rear camera is a standard 3-inch screen with 1.04 megapixel with support for text input. The EOS M50 has shown that this is a great camera even for some serious professional applications. Also, if you think autofocus is key to your content, then you should choose the Mark II for the listed price. We are thoroughly impressed. If you want a top quality product, we especially selected the Panasonic Lumix S5, the best premium vlogging camera on the market in 2022. Key advantage of mirrorless camera is their smaller size and lighter weight compared to the DSLR models. For the Panasonic Lumix S5, the manufacturers managed to fit everything into a body that is actually similar than the Panasonic GS5. A much smaller model with a much smaller sensor impressive by fall. The S5 comes with a 20 to 60 mm kit lens, which can be folded and fits well with a small camera size. The heart rate of S5 is a 24.2 megapixel sensor, same 1 pound in its sibling, the S1. Placing a proven sensor in this smaller, cheaper case is a smart move. S5 screen is fully articulated and touch sensitive. You can shoot 4K at 60 fps through byte with clip, backlight, or 30p without it. And 10-bit recording is available internally, but you must restart the video after 30 minutes. Alternatively, you can record an unlimited number of clips in 8K. Block recording is also available with 14 dynamic range stops also includes in the mix are such tools cases as dual organ, ISO, 4K, panoramic and timed recording. The good news is that autofocus is definitely improved over the S1 series. It is effective in most situations and is also decent in tracking subjects moving in a responsibly predictable way. Since the S5 uses the same sensor as the S1, we already knew that the picture and video quality probably be very good. The images contain a lot of details as well as great colors and balanced exposure. A set of 20 to 60mm lenses is a great optic to start with. Because the wide angle is wider than we usually see on most lenses, the video quality is also excellent. With very smooth and detailed images, the image quality is exceptional, which is perhaps the most important thing. The camera body is also well designed with a meaningless ergonomic design, very good electronic viewfinder, and a very welcome fully articulated touchscreen. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. And now we present you the Sony ZV-1, a runner-up best vlogging camera available on the market in 2022. This model is designed to make life easier for content creators, making YouTube clips thanks to such nitpied features as blurred background and infinity of defined modes, preserving some details of construction and unusability. This is a magnification option and an outstanding picture quality combined with good sound quality. This camera allows us to blur the background as much as possible by focusing the attention on the subject to your liking. Similarly, with the same button, you can focus on objects in the foreground to present products. It's noticeable that this device is intended for content creators in terms of design and construction. We are looking at solid compact design with good ergonomics. Whether we hold the camera behind or in front, the fact that is a micro USB port at the moment is not too positive, as USB port with definitely more desirable. The device also includes a HDMI port and a microphone input. We like image quality both in good lighting conditions and in backlight in low light. Whatever content you create, a massive 3-inch folding rear screen will be viewed perfectly to see every shot perfectly. This camera with 20 megapixel and an equivalent focal length of 24 to 70mm has an optical zoom whose speed can be adjusted from one of the more available means. Of course, allows you to record the full HD and 4K resolution and even has modes up to 960 fps. Sound is taken care of by the top microphone, which delivers a pretty decent result. In the connectivity department, this camera has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connection, which makes it super easy to control it from a smartphone. If we are talking about anatomy, it remains on about 250 photos, and aspect that we believe could be improved. This is a quality product and all we can do is to recommend it. Finally, we present you the gold medal and the long-awaited title of the best overall vlogging camera available on the market in 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Fujifilm X-S10, the winner for today. This model puts the proven X-Trans images sensor and autofocus system in a new body style. In the latest X series camera with built-in stabilization and includes 4K shooting mode and a front screen for vloggers, this product is available in addition to the Fujifilm camera system and a particularly attractive option for assist. Front and rear control wheels are used to control exposure. The trigger is slightly tilted forward and the on-off switch around it. There is another control wheel on the left next to the switch that opens the pop-up flash. You can go to different aspects of in-camera movies, a useful tool if you want to quickly switch from one creative style to another. The rear screen is more in line with premium cameras. We are looking at 3-inch panel with touch support and desktop resolution of 1.04 megapixel. It's a variable angle style, so you can turn it to the side to be facing forward or up or down to take photos for more interesting angles. Digital ports are on the left. In connectivity department, the X-S10 includes a 3.5mm jack for an external microphone as well as USB-C for charging data transfer and audio headphones. The micro HDMI port delivers clear 10-bit video for use. With an external voice recorder in terms of speed and autofocus, sensor uses a combination of phase and contrast detection point distribution over almost the entire surface, which is an advantage for tracking moving subject is an advantage for tracking moving subject. Face and eye detection are supported for portraits, and subject tracking mode is available when continuous focus is used. Tracking the subject is top-notch. When the camera is attached to the subject, it does not lose its track, which is an advantage for photographers who capture sport action, unpredictable wild animals. This model stands out thanks to the body image stabilization feature. Sensor is mounted on a 5-axis stabilization system, where image quality at higher ISO rating is on par with the best APS-C models. Overall, this product delivers premium performance, great looks, and high durability at the best possible price. Quality ratio, you wanted the best and you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.